Hello and welcome back to the Think Tank M&A show. I'm here in the Dukascopy TV studio in Geneva to talk about crowd lending with Mr. Vincent Pignon. Vincent, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, Yves.
Vincent is a professor at HEG in corporate finance and strategy, and today you're going to be talking to us about crowd lending. So can you tell us a bit more? What is crowd lending?
Yes, crowd lending is a new way to finance small and medium companies. The companies can loan money for some people for duration between 3 to 60 months with different conditions, but it's a new way to have financement.
And how significant is the crowd lending industry today?
Actually, it's already a large industry with Lending Club in the United States. It's already a $5 billion industry. And there is other platforms in UK, for example, Funding Circle, with 3,050 million livres sterling in UK.
Wow, so that's significant.
Yes.
And how different is crowd lending from microcredit or donation platforms or traditional crowdfunding?
Mm-hmm. There is a lot of crowdfunding platforms. For example, we have a donation with a platform like Kickstarter, or We Make It in Switzerland. And for this platform, you can donate some money for a project or what you want. There is also a solution to equity crowdfunding with a solution in Switzerland like Silk Road and Investere. And crowd lending is a new way with ability for a lot of people to lend money for companies. And there is one solution in Switzerland with we can fund.
So We Can Fund is your solution.
Exactly.
So can you share with us what kind of commission fees this platform typically charge?
Yes, there is the same model everywhere in the world. This is success fees. And all the platform charge between 1 to 5% on the financement. There is no other fees, so it's a low-cost way to have a financement.
And what kind of laws are in place? What kind of laws govern this way of raising money?
There is already in UK and US specific rules, so it's a good way with a good regulation in this country. Soon there is a new regulation in France, in Australia and in Israel. And in countries like Switzerland there is no specific rules, so FINMA define for each platform what they want to do and what they can do.
And what does it change for companies, or what does it change for investors?
It's a new way, different from the traditional banks actually, and it's possible to have a faster loan for small and medium companies, and it's also possible to have flexible solutions to have money.
And how do you see the future? What should we expect for crowd lending in the future?
And there is this week IPO of Lending Club. It's the first one and a big one, $5 billion IPO valuation for this company. It's the first fintech which this valuation. So maybe we will see a lot of new platforms very soon. For example, in France, in September, maybe October, there is new rules for crowd lending and crowdfunding platforms. And since 2 months, we have maybe in France 10 new platforms. So there is a lot of new platforms. In Switzerland, we are the only one, but I think that new players will come in this industry.
Thank you very much, Vincent, for sharing with us your insight. Good luck with the launch of your platform. Thank you very much for watching the Think Tank M&A show. We will be back with Dukascopy TV in this studio to speak more about mergers and acquisitions and corporate venturing. But for now, goodbye.